Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a yellow screen in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on display and brightness, and you can see the option of true tone. If this button is turned on, then turn this button off, and if your problem is doesn't fix, then click on night shift and turn off these both buttons. After turning off this button, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then go back in settings and click on accessibility and click on display and text size. Scroll down, you can see the option of color filters. Click on it. Make sure you can turn off this button. If you can turn on this button, then turn off this button. Your problem will be fixed. So this way to fix a yellow screen in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. Thanks for watching this video.